Hello everyone, welcome to Forlinx Embedded channel. Today, let's unbox Freedom i.MX 93 development board from NXP. Inside the box, you will find a quick start guide, a packing list, Freedom i.MX 93 development board, 2 USB cables. The FRDM board features i.MX .93 processor with 2 high-performance 1.7 GHz ARM Cortex A55 cores and a 250 MHz real-time Cortex M33 core, along with 2 GB of LPDDR4 memory and 32 GB of eMMC storage. For wireless connectivity, the Freedom i.MX 93 features NXP's IW612 chip for tri-radio solution, supporting Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth Low Energy, and IEEE 802.15.4. Notably, Wi-Fi 6 supports simultaneous dual-band 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz connections. In terms of interfaces, the Freedom i.MX 93 equips with 2 Gigabit Ethernet 1 USB Type A1 HDMI, a 3.5mm audio jack, 1 USB Type-C, Raspberry Pi compatible headers, MIPI CSI, MIPI DSI, debug, power input, CAN, ADC, ATF card slot, and an M.2 slot for wireless modules on the back. Now let's power up this development board. Click on the NXP logo to open the GoPoint application. To help developers get started quickly, NXP provides a variety of example applications that showcase the capabilities of the FRDM i.MX 93, especially its neural processing unit for accelerating machine learning tasks. Check out the additional examples available in the GoPoint for i.MX applications processor window. It's sure to be a powerful tool on your development journey.